Welcome to Dynamic 2000i tutorials. In this session we're going to learn how to set up a unit of measure to the system. Under the main menu we go into our distribution module, and anything to do with products, unit of measure, inventory items fall under the inventory menu. We go into the inventory, into the maintenances, and we see all the primary maintenances that have to be set up in order to define inventories to the system. One of these is the unit of measure. If we go on to the unit, we're presented with the unit maintenance, and basically we can define to the system anything to do with respect to units of measure, as well as any conversion factors and how these are related, i.e. converting cases to eaches or eaches to cases. So using that specific example, if we wanted to set up a unit of measure of case, we simply come in here and we go type a unit of measure of case. We'll give it a description of cases, and we can optionally at this point define any conversion factors, knowing that we're going to set up a unit of measure of each. We could simply define here the unit of measure of each, and it will convert to eaches. Cases will convert to eaches using a factor of 12, depicting that there would be 12 eaches in a case. The system will automatically create a conversion factor from eaches to from cases to eaches, so that it can actually convert between the two. If we save this to the database now, and we come back up here and we define to the system our unit of measure of each, and we'll give it a description of eaches. If we save this to the system now without any conversion factor involved, and we requery it, we will notice that the unit of measure has been automatically put into the system for us to convert to cases using a factor of 0.08333, and based on the precision underneath the database, it'll convert to cases. Cases will convert to eaches of 12 in a case. Now, it's important to note here that the unit of measure is used to populate the sales reporting stock factor and purchase to stock factor fields when entering a new product, should the selling and purchasing units of measure be different from the stocking units of measure. This is covered on the stock file maintenance, which is covered in another tutorial. It's also very important to note that these application conversions are only defaults when entering new products. The Dynamic 2000 suite of applications use the factor stored on the product file itself for any conversions the inventory item may require in other modules. They do not come to this particular table and convert between these units using these units.